Hi, my name's Rebecca Lee, and I co-wrote this book, The Mercury Detoxification Manual, with Andy Cutler, PhD, who I always say should have got a Nobel Prize for what he figured out. And this book is about how to detoxify from mercury and other heavy metals without making yourself horribly, irreversibly worse, which is actually quite easy to do. So when we advise people, the first thing we have them do is get on the 4 basic supplements. And these supplements particularly oppose the bad things that mercury does to you. They are magnesium, vitamin E, zinc, and particularly vitamin C. Mercury is very oxidative, and when you start mobilizing it and moving it around your body with the intent of getting it out of yourself, you get a lot of that oxidization. To counteract that, you need the main antioxidant of the arsenal of antioxidants, and that is vitamin C. We tell people to take it every 3 or 4 hours all day and as much as you can tolerate without getting diarrhea. Vitamin C infusions are a great way to get a lot of it, and they can be very useful for making you feel better too. But the next best form after the IVs is liposomal vitamin C, which is a form where the molecule has been transformed from water soluble to fat soluble, which makes it more absorbable. And I've experimented with taking several thousand milligrams of liposomal, several thousand at a time, and I did not ever reach bowel tolerance. So I think you can take a lot of it. It also has a far longer half-life in the body than the plain forms of vitamin C. Also, some people who have trouble tolerating anything, you know, they have a lot of difficulty with supplements, find that they can take liposomal C when they can't tolerate the regular kinds. So liposomal C is very expensive to buy, but it's quite easy to make. And there are all kinds of videos online which explain to you how to make it. So I'm not going to get too detailed about this, but I'm going to just give a few tips about what I do. And I think the most important tip is where I buy my ingredients. And this is from a company called Pure Bulk. And this is ascorbic acid, which is over a pound, costs $16. And this sunflower lecithin, which is also over a pound, costs $6.75. And when I get them, I put them into these nice honey jars with a label. So here's the vitamin C and the lecithin. I use this lecithin is powdered lecithin because apparently if you get the granule kind, you have to soak it overnight before you can use it. And this is the finished product, and as you can see, it's almost used up, and I'm making some more. This is the little machine you use to process, to make the liposomal vitamin C in. It's an ultrasonic jewelry cleaner, which you can buy online easily enough. And I have done mine in 2 batches. So I put the one half of it in a ball jar. I've done mine in 2 batches because the little machine's too small. And it has a bunch of settings on it. I'm not going to start it because as soon as I start it, it messes with the sound on the video for some reason. Anyway, it's got 4 settings, and the highest one is 480 seconds. And when I turn it on, it'll all be over with the sound. But please like and share this video, and I hope you learned something useful. Here, I'm going to turn it on. You can see how it shivers everything and forms those light.